You need prompts to use the Gemini app to generate images. In case you can't easily copy the prompts, we'll show you how to copy the prompt text. Just add your own image to the Gemini app and enter a prompt, and we'll show you in detail how AI can create these amazing images. Let's take a look. You may have seen prompts posted on TikTok, so I'm going to show you how to copy text from the prompts posted on TikTok. If you have written prompts in the image, you can save the image and copy the prompts as text. Another method is to use this method to copy the prompt text. If you have written prompts in the caption, the main thing is to take the prompt text as a photo and copy the text. Once you've completed the prompts, take a screenshot or download a photo and go to Google Lens in the Google app. I will choose to screenshot or download a photo and make the prompt's Coptic text. You only need to select and crop the prompt text you want to copy. Once you have copied the prompt text, you can use the Gemini app to create cool images. You will first need to select your own to use with prompt. After you have added the image you want to use, add the copied text. Here, I would like to use the prompts better. It is better to use the prompts yourself. If everything is okay with the prompt, you can start printing. This step may take a while, so please be patient and wait a while. Okay, so I've shown you how to create your own cool image using prompt. Some of you may not know how to copy text from prompt, so I'm going to explain it to you with this video. I hope this video was useful for you. See you in the next video.